Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some storage I got on Amazon. So I have already opened the box just because there were non-diamond painted related items in there. But what I ended up buying, I don't actually have this storage yet, is, okay, let me take it out. This, wow, it's, what's it called? The pill boxes that, you know, instead of just a 28, it's 56. What do you call that? 56 slots. Like these, the normal ones that I have at least are just 28 containers, while this is double the amount. So I've been looking to buy one of these, but I've just been waiting to find a price where it was about the same price as just buying two of these, as opposed to way more than double the price. You would think that these would be cheaper than buying two of these, but no. Okay, so let's see. They're not the best, but they seem to close. Let me try random other one. I won't know until I use it, and if I do find one of them doesn't close well, I'll mark it or something so that I don't use it. But yeah, seems to work just fine. So far I've just randomly tested it, and so yeah, it does look like it's just pretty much double the size of this. So I pretty much bought this because, one, like I said, I finally found it, well, at least when I bought it, cheap enough that it was about the same price as I could get these, because you could get these ones for like $2.50 each or something. So when I bought this, like, how much was it? When I bought this, it was, let's see, it was $13.98. So right now, I looked at the listing, it is a little bit more expensive than that, but I bought this back in December. I didn't get it until early January just because I didn't go for the Prime shipping. I just went for, yeah, you can send it to me whenever. Just give me $1 digital download credit. So because yeah, I didn't need it. So yeah, I will link this below. So yeah, it was a 3-pack, so now it became a little bit less than $5 each. So yeah, and it looks like it came with, wow, this is a ton of labels. I just thought there was 3, but 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of these labels. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 40 labels per sheet, and there was 10, so that's 400 labels. Oh, I'm gonna have a lot of labels. But yeah, I hope these are like the ones that are easily removed. But yeah, if you end up buying more and more containers, a lot of the containers do come with labels, so I would hold off on buying labels and just do the cheap route of writing labels on masking tape if you're starting out. But yeah, so the reason I bought these is a lot of diamond paintings I do have more than 28 colors, and I want the option to have it all in one container. And man, these, I mean, theoretically, I knew it was double the size of this, but like looking at it, it's so much bigger than I thought it would be. But yeah, my plan with these is to use them on like smaller diamond paintings that have more than the 30 colors, the 28 colors, so that I don't have to have them in separate containers. And then I do know that these will fit a 30 by 40 diamond painting. I want to actually try this to see if it'll fit the drills for a 40, something bigger, like maybe a 40. I'm gonna look through what I have and try to see if I could fit 40 by 50 worth of drills in here. But yeah, now I feel like I have to kit up. So stay tuned. Well, I've been posting my kitting up videos depending on when I start my diamond paintings, so if I do kit something up in this, but I don't start it up right away, you might not see the kitting up video until way later. But yeah, I think I'm happy with this. So I only have 2 of these, so now I have actually 3 of these. But yeah, no, I figured if I was gonna buy more of these, I'll buy these bigger ones because a lot of my diamond paintings do have more than 28 colors. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye!